Talking about the next two winter storms that are supposed to be coming through today and Sunday. So right now I'm on the GFS model and I'm just going to go through it a little bit. So this is around 6 p.m. today. We're going to have some rain forming with some snow mixed into it. And around midnight there could be a little bit more snow forming in it over here. And then there'll be some snow on the back side. And then keep going through. May have a little small snow system come in. What is that? Sunday morning. And then this is that what has been on the news about the snow in Georgia and South Carolina. They've really downgraded it from earlier. Still around Atlanta in this area, you could still have about an inch of snow. Talk more about that later. So, not much more until this is January 23rd. There could be a little snow system come through. Now let's go over to the European model. So the European model is showing this storm come through, but it's not showing the snow as far down south. And then we keep going, and then this is Sunday, and it's showing a little bit more snow than the GFS, but that just moves out. And let's see, is it this model doesn't go well? It kind of does. There's that thing that was on the GFS. Now let's do the NAM 3 kilometer. So it's showing this storm forming, and there could be maybe a little bit of severe weather down here. And in fact, I'm going to see what the temperature is going to be down there. And it's going to be in the 50s and 60s. So maybe. What was I on? This one. So then it keeps going through, and it's showing some pretty heavy snow through here, but it's also kind of mixed with rain. But it moves out in the morning, and then there's some flurries that keep coming around over here almost all day on January 17th, so that's Saturday tomorrow. Now, Sunday, it's showing a good amount of snow for Georgia, South Carolina. This may be enough to stick and be an inch or two, honestly. Now, that's as far out as the NAM 3 kilometer goes. So this is the GFS total snowfall. Actually, instead of that, I'm going to do the pivotal weather one. This one is easier to show how much you get. So I'm just going to go all the way through. Okay, so this is 60 hours out. So it's showing we could have about, wow, that's a very sharp gradient. I live right in here where this line is. So I could have 3 inches, I could have 0, according to this. This is showing over here in South Carolina getting 3 inches. Down here about 1 to 2. And there's a pretty big hot spot right here, over here in Ryan Hall's neck of the woods. But I'm going to go through just a little bit longer. Okay, this is 87 hours out. So up here they could have a lot of snow. But not insane amount of snow, but still pretty good. Now this is the NAM 3 kilometer snow. I'm just going to go all the way through it. It goes 60 hours. So it's showing about the same, except it's not showing the hot spot that the GFS was showing. And then I'm going to zoom in to around where I live, and yeah, it's about the same. Now I'm going to go over to the temperature anomaly and show you the next, there's supposed to be 5 cold blasts coming through. So let's go through this. So this is on what day is this? Sunday at 3 a.m. So there's one cold blast. Then an even more intense cold blast. Look, that's 20 degrees below average. That's on Monday at 3 p.m. And then we're going to go through. And look at this insane cold blast. It's not going to completely all come down, but that's Monday the 26th. And then that's Wednesday the 28th. And then, let's see, real quick. Temp. I don't want a temperature anomaly. I want just temperature. Okay, so let me go back. Oops. Okay, so this is around 3 a.m. on Friday. So it could be in the single digits over here in West Virginia. Over in my neck of the woods, about 23, about 15 over here. And it could be freezing as far down as Jacksonville, Florida. And then let's keep going through this. Let's go to Saturday morning. This is 9 a.m. Saturday morning, and it's going to be a lot warmer than it was the last day. You can see where the Smokies are, how it's colder. And we could have we could have negative temperatures up here in North Dakota. Now let's go Sunday morning. We have 15 in Springfield. About 20 over here where I live. Minus temperatures over here near International Falls. And then let's go through. This is This is 9 a.m. on Monday, and you can see the freezing line. About 30, 25, and more minus temperatures. Back to this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.